Alright everybody, here's the blizzard. Check it out. There's the big blizzard everybody's talking about. I don't want to get snow on this laptop. This snow is coming down, boy. Check it. Look at that shit. Snow's hitting the laptop already. I gotta back up. Here's Ninjatron's ride. Bad transmission. It snowed in. Check that shit out. I walked out there and shoveled. The shit's already piled back up on this shit already. Check it out. Fuck, I hope I don't blow this laptop up. You guys see the snow coming down? It's a fucking blizzard. Check that shit out up there. Fucking, you can't even see the street over there. But here it is. That's the blizzard. What is it, a blizzard? But there it is. Whoa. Snow on the laptop. It blows up, and that's good. It is, though. Out here. Snow. And and there's my cat. Check this little thing out. She is unique. Alright, that's all. She wrote. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.